Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure flow by Moen water shutoff with smart leak alerts, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing the flow by Moen water shutoff device. Ensure you have all necessary components, including the device, power adapter, and installation guide. Before installation, turn off the main water supply to your home. Locate your main water line, usually found in the basement or near the water meter. Install the flow device onto the main water line using the included clamps. Make sure the device is positioned according to the arrows indicating water flow direction. Connect the power adapter to the device and plug it into a nearby outlet. Download the Flow by Moen app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to add your device. Ensure your smartphone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. The app will prompt you to connect the flow device to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, the app will perform an initial setup of the device. This setup may take a few minutes as the device calibrates and collects data. After the setup is complete, navigate to the settings in the app. Enable Smart Leak Alerts by toggling the option in the app settings menu. Customize notification preferences to receive alerts via push notifications or emails. Test the leak detection feature by simulating a leak in your plumbing system. Check the app for notifications to ensure the device is working correctly. Review the data analytics available in the app to monitor your water usage patterns. Ensure the device is securely attached and the app settings are configured to your preferences. Your Flow by Moen water shutoff is now configured and ready to protect your home from leaks. Regularly check the app for updates and maintenance notifications. Keep your device firmware up to date for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.